Here is our 2012 Unity Murphy bed motorhome. It's videos taken while inside storage unit, so I thought I'd take you on a tour. Open up the door here. This is the U-Lounge, optional U-Lounge. You can see it seats quite a few people. The table here has adjustable legs on it, or an adjustable pedestal actually. You unclamp that and unclamp that, and you can push the table down, or you can rotate it around. Rotating it is kind of useful when the slide is in. Right now the slide is out. We have plenty of storage here. This is storage up above the driver passenger seat. We keep our bedding up here. All the closets are full of stuff right now. Apologize for that. There's a closets right there. This is the entertainment center, and there's a pop-up television set. Press that button, it magically appears. It wows the grandkids when they first do it. The kitchen area has a 2-burner cooktop. It's looking pretty good here. There's a waste basket back here that you can put trash in, food scraps. This is an insert that matches the countertop to hide the stainless steel sink. There's also a cutting board, or not a cutting board, a table extension over here, so you can get quite a bit of area in here. There's a little spice rack that can be used for keeping your stuff. We keep our dishes up here in these overhead cabinets. All these cabinets have a locking type latch on them. Over here we've got additional storage. There's the convection microwave oven, refrigerator freezer. It's got some blue LED lights. I guess that looks pretty wild on the video. And a freezer section right in here. Ice cubes. This runs on 12 volts, 110 volts, and also propane. We like to use it with the propane. I think it works best. This is a pull-out pantry, which is really nice. You can put quite a bit of food here. And going into the bathroom area, we've got the medicine cabinet. That's a window out here to the back side. Not much to see out in the storage unit. When you do that, you can see me, so that's me. Plenty of storage in here. And the wow thing is this big shower. I don't know if I can get the whole thing in there, but you can stand up in this shower. I'm 6'3", and I have no problem sitting in this shower. It's got a little tub there, so if you've got a dog, you can wash your dog there. It's got a little hand shower thing. A little bit of storage cabinet here. This is where we keep our extra toilet paper. It's got a porcelain toilet, a sliding door. It's like a pocket door, yeah. And it's got a mirror, full-length mirror on it. Over here is like the wardrobe. There's 2 drawers. We call it his and hers. And inside here we've got closet rod and storage down here for shoes, etc. Neat thing that my wife really likes is this one right here. This is a big storage cabinet. We put quilts and bedding up here. The lower section is actually you can access it from the inside or the outside, which is pretty unique. Underneath the bathroom sink is this is a water filter, a whole house water filter, so it filters all your water that you drink and cook and everything with a carbon filter. That's a little water pump for when you're disconnected from the utility hookup. It'll take the water from the storage tank that is in the motorhome and pump it through the unit. Let's see what else we got here. You can see the view here. This is how we like to set it up. Swing the passenger seat around for an extra seating area. Got the U-Lounge, and what else? Oh, all the cabinetry is beautiful wood. It's not particle board. You can see that laminated plywood. This is a cherry veneer. I'm an amateur woodworker, and I can really appreciate the quality workmanship in here. Corian countertops. Really nice sienna brown. Let's see, what else we got? Oh, the control center. This might be helpful. Control the furnace. There's a gas furnace plus the heat pump air conditioner on the ceiling. This is a converter or control for converting from battery power to 110 volt power for running some small electronics. This is for the stabilizers for, it's like not leveling jacks, but it stabilizes it. This is the control for the propane generator. You can see we've only got about 71 hours of operating time on it. And this is the, you control lights outside and your tank levels. You can monitor your tank levels. This is a switch for moving the slide in and out. Pretty straightforward. We like it, and I hope you like this too. That's it.